What's up, all of my amazing anomalous kings and queens? How are y'all doing tonight? I need to hear something. Leave it in the comments below. Tell me how y'all have been doing, especially during this COVID craziness, this election craziness. How have y'all been really doing? Like, I need to hear from y'all. I need to know because I'm worried. So let me know in the comments. I'm always a listening ear and I'm always there to comment back and also give some advice, tips, and tricks. But today, I am not giving tips and tricks. I'm actually coming with a product that has been getting me right over the couple weeks that I have been just stressing out about school, work, everything.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
This product has been getting me right, and actually the owner of this product has been mentoring me on my own business and products. So thank you so much for giving me that mentorship and advice, and also thank you for sharing your amazing products with me. So without further ado, I gotta spill this tea. This right here is the brand Sunjoy Radiance, and this brand right here will get your skin all the way right. Go on her Instagram, go on her Facebook, I believe she got one, and her Snapchat, and show her some love as well as get this product. This is a Black owned product, if you can't tell by now. Black owned, so I'd be doing a disservice if I didn't shout her out, especially since she's helped me so much and I'm in the category or in the industry of beauty and wellness. Sunjoy, Sunjoy Radiance, and this is one of her lovely models on the front, and it says where beauty blossoms, so that is her slogan. And right here it has thank you or what to say, thank you for shopping. And then this is her website. The packaging is amazing. Another one of her beautiful models, which I don't know, they be catfishing because these could be the same people and they're just in different lighting. I don't even know. I'm not gonna even lie to you. Let me turn that around for you. Obviously I've been using these products. I just kind of faked the boxing for y'all to unbox it again, but it came with the thank you note, and it also came with all her social medias on the back, snap, tag, and post, period. And her tag is Sunjoy Radiance. Simple. But inside you have another one of her beautiful melanated models, and it just says say hello glowing skin, and it has another note about sending progress photos, which if you go on her page you will see a lot of progress photos, which is another thing I liked about this product. But this packaging comes with two products, and I'm going to share them with you. I right now have on the Luminous Serum, and that serum is amazing. It also is a little sweet. It smells like honey. I feel like there's honey in here, but I do not know. Some of the ingredients that are on the back is vitamin C, jojoba seed oil, and one thing that I really like about this serum specifically is that it comes with the dried sunflower petals inside. And for me, it's something about leaving pieces of the product inside, especially when it's like dried rose petals or dried herbs, because I feel like those herbs are still soaking and giving more life and nutrients to the product itself. So girl, I've been loving this Luminous. That's what I got on right now, and it's been getting me right. I've had this on since 7 a.m. and it's about 8 p.m 9 p.m, so it's a all day lasting radiant rejuvenating product. So this is called Luminous, and this is the brightening serum that it comes with in the package, and also it comes with a renew and repair serum as well. So what I like to do, well, I'll tell you what I like to do after I tell you about this product. So this is the radiant the Sunjoy Radiance Hydrating Serum, and this is the Renew and Repair. And this one is amazing for just getting your skin tone nice and even, and for also brightening your complexion, obviously. And some of the ingredients that are like highlighted in this product that I really love are the avocado oil, the argan oil, the hemp seed oil, baby girl, and also there's a little bit of the vitamin E oil in this as well. So all very skin loving products or skin loving oils that are put into this serum that just make it amazing. But now I'll tell you how I use my products and what I have been doing to get my skin nice and bright all over, wherever, whenever. So I actually use both, which you can see they're about at the same level. I've been trying not to just pour it all over my body. So what I do is I use it after my skincare routine, which is still the same as it is in my glycolic acid pill video, the same as it is in the video before where I showed you guys my skin routine video. Just a gentle cleanser and a nice simple mask if I'm not using my own gentle cleanser that I have made, or my own mask that I also have made at home. So just something nice, natural, gentle. So I actually use the Repair at night, and I use the Brightening Serum in the morning. Repair at night because, as I always talk to you guys about, repairing your skin is repairing itself at night, getting rid of some of those old skin cells, renewing with new skin cells, and just rejuvenating your body, repairing for the morning to start another day. So it wouldn't be right if I didn't use this at night to get my skin ready for the morning. And then when I wake up, I hit it again. And I hit it with the Luminous Serum, which gets me right and bright for the morning, and just to start my day and hydrate me for the whole entire day. Even if I put on makeup, I'm putting this on under my makeup because it sets a nice base, a nice glow, and allows me to go about my day and not worry about being ashy, pale, or any of that. So nighttime, morning time, all in one package. It doesn't get better than that. I have seen amazing results. Skin tone has been evening, has been clearing, and has been really bright these last couple of weeks. And I have seen many more testimonials on her Instagram. So hit her up. Like, what is y'all doing? Is your skin bright, tight, and rejuvenated? Is it? Be honest with yourself. If you need this product, I will be putting the description of where to get the product from, as well as a link to Sunjoy Radiance website, Instagram, and any other social media that they have. So go get them. Just a little close up for y'all. Packaging is amazing. Like, they did the thing with the packaging. Yes, and I love the logo. So that's just a little close up for y'all, but I'm done here. I told y'all what to do. I showed y'all how I've been doing, and I even shared a couple of ingredients with y'all. So hop on it before it's too late. Bye.